Excuse me. We're supposed to be installing car parts that are over here, but you're taking all my attention. Right, I'm sorry, you can have some bum tickles. There we go. Right, guys. You're here today to see these sick looking pre-facelift Focus ST lights. They're going to be taking placement of the ones that are here already. Now I've got my neighbour behind me who's owner of the dog. And these are the ones that are going to be coming out. So we're going to get these fitted, the ones that are over there. Once they're in, we'll then get a clip tonight when it's dark and show you how epic they look. Right, can we get to it now? Hey, can I fit some car parts without you taking all the limelight? Find the rect tool. Should just be something simple. Right, let's get this one out. I think it's just a direct fit with these custom lights. We'll soon find out. As you can see, so I think if I get around to it, I'll probably replace them. I'm a little bit OCD for things like this. So I've an auto beam bulb and a regular one. Now, just in case any of you are interested, the actual attachment pieces are left in the car, so these ones should be direct fit. Now these are the old ones. I don't know if I'm going to sell them, but yeah, they're in good nick. Just taking this out. You're going to love this. Five Guys reopens Plymouth restaurant. Why? Are they doing deliveries, are they?
No, the actual store's open.
Oh my god, the absolute state inside here. Guys, look at the state of this. They're horrendous. Let's get the preliminary dirt out, or what we can get out. Loosen it up, get rid of it.
I'm sure you got some electrical cleaner.
It's going to go in the car now. Using Yum's detailing stuff again.
Sure are. I'll say that on one of my videos. Like now, the top two
Sam's detailing
cleaning products, yeah, Sam's detailing products and Young Cars detailing.
Do you know what? I am actually getting a bit of a penchant for on its arse stuff as well.
On its arse, yeah. I haven't used them, but I mean, I've tried a lot of products anyway. And Sam's detailing and Yum's, they've both got a good passion as well. So if you guys aren't following them on Instagram or Facebook, go do that. I would.
Right, now Luke, just while you're doing that, what I'll do in here is just pop out these bulbs as well.
Yeah.
Pop those down.
Explain to them as well, George, about the...
Because obviously these actually plug into the LED units.
Yeah.
And based on the fact that it is an LED unit, all you're doing is plugging this into the LED unit. So this powers up the the system that's already got the lights built in. So we're taking out the bulbs for that reason. We'll give them a little clean up as well, but for now, to be fair, they could actually do with being re-electrical taped. So Luke, I might actually do that, to be fair.
Yeah. Pretty simple stuff, but for now, I think that'll do.
Oh, the weather's so nice. 21 degrees tomorrow. Hopefully the Plenum Spacer O-rings arrive. And then Plenum Spacer can go in.
Do some bits.
Right, that one is now all secure. That's what it looks like. Now in terms of the actual connections themselves, you can see that the ends here actually replicate the ends of the bulbs. So that's what we were talking about earlier. Should just be super simple. So,
got it? Mm-hmm. Oh. Magic touchy. Yeah, simple plug and play. How sick's that? Already looks 10 times better. See? Who thinks George should murder out his car? I think now, once he's had these lights put in.
Right, guys, to be fair, so let's try it. So if you grab the keys and I guess stick the brake lights on. Yeah, it's different, man. I'm not used to this.
Well, that indicators when you unlock it.
Do it again. Yeah, they're definitely not auto beam bright. But there's a screw to go in here, mate.
Should. Should be able to get them in, that's so. The hazards on before you screw it down.
Okay, so it works.
Works.
Do you want to do the brake light as well?
Cool, that. I prefer that, George, you know. I need to get the keys for this.
Brake light works. Hazards. Okay, on this side.
What?
Try again. Brakes. Perfect. I think it looks sick. Right, so let's click that steering wheel into place. Right, and then if you can see through all the pollen that's all over the car, then it'd be great if you can just reverse up here. Fully aware the power steering pump needs to be replaced. It's always a good sign, isn't it, when there's no leaks all over where you park? I know we're doing well. So he's just going to drive down there. And then now, you'll be able to see what they look like. What do you reckon? What do you reckon, people of YouTube? Do you approve? Reverse lights on? Yeah. But the reverse light doesn't come on those. It comes on the bottom left hand side.
Oh yeah, it does.
It was more just to see it moving, really. But yeah, do you approve? Do you want to have a walk around and tell me what you think? Yeah. Now it's in the shade a little bit more.
It's better than that. I'll put the hazards on quickly, honestly. Definitely bright.
Don't get me wrong, they're not auto beam, but I don't really want to offer judgment until we get them in the dark tonight. So yeah, this is why we've turned it round, so that we can face it the other way.
Stealthy now.
Yeah, it does. I just want to get this rear bumper sorted. Guys, if you know my pain, you can pretty much see inside. It's so annoying. I want my big brakes to be fitted, and I want my exhaust system to turn up.
Do you want it reversed in there or front facing?
Yeah, we're probably going to reverse it into here, so later on this evening we can film the clip where we put one of the lights in and have one of them in, you know, where we put one of those lights in and have them next to one of the new ones. But no, I'm happy with that. What do you guys reckon? Smash the like if you haven't already. Luke, the 2.75 inch Miltech. This is its last days before it goes to its new home. It's even been sold already.
They don't even know what you're getting yet, do they?
They don't know. You do.
Oh, mate, honestly, you lot are going to be in for a shock. I'm mad. I don't even think I've seen. I'm not even joking. I don't think
I've never seen one.
I've never seen like this
setup.
I mean, we've seen the system, but not the style. Like the way it's set out is absolutely insane. So
it's stunning, guys. So what we're going to do now is going to be a couple seconds for you. It's going to be a long couple of hours for us, but we're going to wait till it gets dark, and then we're going to look at this in its true colours. All right, guys. So stay patient, and we'll see you guys very shortly. Peace. To be using the time efficiently between now and it getting dark, so I can show you the lights on the back. To be fair, I may as well show you. I've cleaned the car, but yeah, this is what we're dealing with at the moment. Sorry, I've been there, clay bar in the car. Yeah, currently, until it gets dark, I'm just getting these bits done, keeping the car clean. But yeah, I'll join you guys shortly. So I just wanted to show you how noisy the induction is. Just having the bonnet open like this. Thought I'd give you a little walk around, seeing as it's all done now. You can't see the halos on this iPhone, it's very annoying. But yeah, let's go look at the rear lights. There you go, exhaust is quietening down now. But yeah, these are the new rear lights. What do you reckon? You'll have to let me know by smashing the video with a like. See what you think. Just thought I'd let you listen to her purr for a little bit. Seeing as the new exhaust is going on this week, I figured I'd give you the opportunity. For those of you wondering, Miltech 2.75 inch catback non-res sports cat AirTech downpipe. Yeah, I actually really like it. Definitely changed my mind since earlier. Giving the car a good clean has certainly given me another perspective. When the new rear bumper goes on and the Maxim Designs rear diffuser, god damn, it's going to look good over here. Anyway, I need to clean this up so I can put the car back on it, put the other light on the other side so you can compare, and then when it's dark we can see what happens. Ashamed or proud that I've just swept down this just so that she's got somewhere exciting to sit. Right, yeah, definitely works. That side profile is completely different. What do you reckon? I should probably go stick the hazards on so you guys can see. I'll go do that now. I don't know if you guys remember that I got that. But yeah, the blacked out lights look alright. I'm happy. But no, anyway, we need to get the car back on here. We'll see it when I swap around. The red rear light and the new uprated black one. What do you guys reckon? So I will turn them on shortly. Obviously I'll do that again as well when it's dark. But no, it's definitely better. The red looks good. I mean, without a shadow of a doubt, the red looks fire. Now what do you reckon? I think the silver wheels look pretty awesome with the red. But then if you come this side, it's a whole nother look. It's almost cool having them both. So what we'll do, we'll turn on the old hazards. There we go. Oh my god, look at the difference in auto beam there. Wow. So yeah, I'd like to think this is probably a lot more road legal in terms of it's not going to kill anyone's eyes. But road legal, yeah, but auto beam doing bits over here. But yeah, let's come back to this when it's dark and we'll see how good it looks. I better turn this off anyway. Guys, I promise you it's that time of the evening where it's dark enough to use the lights, but I've got, basically, long story short, I'm a bit of a camera nerd and I've got this lens on my camera right now, which is an f1.4, and it just means that in lighting like this, for some reason it makes it look this bright. Now, I've got one of my neighbours next to me. I'm not going to point the camera out, don't worry. But look, it's supposed to be somewhat dark and it just picks up so much light, which at a car show is pretty handy. But in this particular instance, we're going to be turning the lights on so we can see if they look any different. Now, let's just give it one of these. Jesus Christ, that auto beam. Look at this, right? So I've got one auto beam high performance bulb in the left hand side and the LED is on the right. Auto beam, that on its own, yeah. Advertisement, guys. If you haven't already got auto beam bulbs, then I'll obviously link them in the description section below. But let me see if, there we go. Right, so we have a look. Pretty normal, super bright. Again, I think that's a standard bulb in there, the auto beam ones at the top. And then these are the LEDs. You can see they're all separate like this. Sorry about the noise, guys. But yeah, I mean, they do look pretty good. We've got no complaints. Auto beam again. That's so noisy, you attention seeker. Let's just turn the hazards on quickly. And then you'll be able to see the ones at the top working as well. Again, auto beam, super bright. So I think, guys, if you want to be a little bit more road legal and not get people annoyed by the brightness of your lights, then definitely upgrade. But I think I'm going to need at least a day to sleep on this and work out whether I like it in the morning. But yeah, that's pretty much all you need to see. But there we go. Right, guys, before I end the video, there we go, car is now locked. Well,
Car is now closed. Right guys, now before I end the video, we do have Brembo big brakes on the way. They're the BMW conversion. I've got the discs on the table in the house, but I need to send them back and get the drilled and grooved ones. So I just thought you want to know a little bit of an update. As for the roll cage, haven't quite got to that process just yet. Still got the bonnet risers in, haven't chickened out yet and got rid of them. What else have we got coming? Oh yeah, we have the new exhaust, which is arriving tomorrow, so that's going to be sick. Keep guessing in the comments below as to which is going to go in. Need to restore the calipers, the spare calipers I've got in the house, so I can put the new ones on the rear. New bumper to go on the back. Maxon Designs radio diffuser. But yeah, I mean, I'm going to work out what I think of the lights. For the time being, guys, smash the like button if you haven't already. Let me know what you think in the comments, and we'll see you guys in the next video.